Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be reviewing the Kylie lip kit. I got it in 2 shades. This was a while back when there was like a deal. I think it was like a 1+1 deal, but I've had it shipped to Korea. So it took a while and yeah, I got it in the mail. So I got it in Kylie and I also got it in Exposed. The main reason why I got this was I wanted to show you how it would look on Asian skin. Without further ado, let's get started. Starting off, we're gonna go in with Kylie, and this is how the packaging looks like. This is a 12-month lip product use, and when you open it, you have the lip liner and the liquid lipstick. So we're just gonna go in and swatch this. That was so good. Again, this is in Kylie. I thought it would be more like a peach color, but it's definitely darker. When you open the matte liquid lipstick, you have the brush. It looks like this, quite small. And I think it helps with like controlling where the product goes. Right off the bat, it has a pretty strong scent. To me, it smells like crayon. It does have quite a strong scent to it. This is the swatch of Kylie, pink color. So we're just gonna let this dry and then see how it rubs off later once it dries up. But we're just gonna go ahead and remove our lip product. Currently I'm using the Innisfree Makeup and Eye Remover, and I already mixed it, but here it's like an oil based and like some other type of liquid. So you mix it and then it helps take off the lip product or waterproof mascara. Okay, lip product is off. I'm just gonna go in with the lip liner. We're gonna go in with the liquid lipstick. Okay, so this is how Kylie looks like. I don't know, it's questionable. Maybe I'm just not used to it because in Korea they don't really use this kind of color. Okay, lip product is off. We're gonna go in with Exposed now, and it's pretty much the same concept. You have the lip liner and the matte liquid lipstick. We're gonna go in and swatch this product. So this is Exposed. It's definitely a lot lighter from Kylie, and for the liquid lip product, I'm actually looking forward to this one because I think it will be a very nice neutral color. It looks really nice here, the swatches, but we're just gonna have to check it out. Got the lip lining down. We're gonna go in with the product. Okay. Okay, so this is Exposed. Like I said earlier, I'm not really used to wearing matte liquid lipsticks or this kind of color, so I can't really say if I like it or not because I haven't gotten used to it. Western makeup is definitely different from Korean makeup. This has dried up for about 15 minutes now. We're just gonna go ahead and wipe to see how long or how it smudges. So barely budging. For the lip liners, definitely it does have some smearing. So I waited for about 5 minutes, and sorry about the lighting. The thing about this is that it's the outer part, it's fine, it's dried up, but in the inner parts it's a little bit sticky. So it almost kind of feels like it's a little bit waxy, which I'm not sure what's going on, but we're just gonna do a transfer test. Even if there's no transfer there, it feels really sticky on my lips. So that is my review and swatch of the Kylie lip kits. I hope that you found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.